The story you're about to see is true. The names have been changed to protect the innocent.
Menagerie of wiring called a distortion. The distortion is back there. It's things that we haven't hit yet. I got the bearing though.
Yeah, that looks a whole lot better than what the before pictures were.
So much.
Probably took off 50 pounds of wires.
Still got to try to get the lay back in here, but we're close.
Are you upgrading sound at all, or just cleaning it up?
We need to call the guy today. He talked about doing a different amp, but he won't hold anything else. So. With everything else he's got going on, we'll probably just leave the audio since it sounds pretty decent. Focus the budget somewhere else. It needs it.
Then you're taking care of some body work and some scuffs and
Yeah, insurance.
craps.
Well, somebody backed into it, knocked it over, so we got some new bags coming for it. Do some airbrush work on the bags, and side covers, rear fenders getting paints, crash bar, and all the floorboards were all scuffed up, so they're getting some powder coat. Trying to make it look as new as possible, you know.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of that's factory wiring though, isn't it?
Yeah, so this must have been an ultra classic at one time. So it still had all the factory harness for tour pack, CD, intercom system, all that was still in it. And instead of eliminating it and simply running 4 new wires back for saddlebag speakers, they just tapped into the harness and left all this in there just to run 2 speakers. So we're gonna cut it all out of there to get rid of it. Yeah.
entire motorcycle apart.
Your bike is gonna burn to the ground.
And then you're gonna be like, why?
There's a lot of ugliness in this thing.
Yeah, that's pretty elite right there.
Open your peanuts.
Yeah, here.
What's that nonsense?
Look at this.
I love that one.
All the lights.
I saw they were pretty shadowy.
Yeah. Just, what's this guy called?
Probably like heated crotch.
See?
I know like heated vest or heated gloves or heated pants or heated something.
This is what we need to keep.
Oh, the light. The light down
Air right switches, right?
No, I think those are, that's the accessory switch. That's what turns on all the lights. I'm pretty sure. And the speaker's gotta come out. That's where we're gonna put the air right switch. So we'll have to run that forward. He's got lights and speakers. So those will have to run down. I think those are for one of these.
I feel like later today, Greg's gonna be asking Paul on camera, so why did you start drinking at 9 a.m.
So far, I've done most of it.
Yeah, we're so I was telling Mike, I used to like it better when he was totally anti-lights.
You got all soft.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll put your stuff back. We don't do that. Take a
Girls
fucking wheelers from out that dumpster.
Yeah. But you do it, guy. Now. What's your deal? deal today.
Here's a couple of pictures of the orange Wisconsin bike that Paul was working on in the last video. That's about it, guys. As you can see, the guys at the shop have their work cut out for them with that skull bike. I will continue to update you as far as the progress on the bike goes. Last I saw, the bike was in Paul's little happy area there, and he's doing what Paul does. I just want to say thanks for all the support that you've given me. The Paul video seems to be blowing up these days. So if you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you can, and we'll see you next time.